Hello guys, in this section number 4 you will learn about basics array manipulation techniques, different techniques related to manipulation on array elements you will learn in this section number 4. So first of all, you will find relevant article. Read this article from starting to end. Also there is an assignment, you have to complete that assignment within time. So coding exercises, for example, concatenating and stacking arrays horizontal, vertical, splitting arrays into subarrays, inserting and deleting element in arrays, sorting arrays and finding unique elements, using NumPy's where function for conditional filtering, flattening and revealing arrays. So these are the important coding exercises. I will provide the resolution with algorithm. So in this section number 4 you will find an video named coding exercise in which you will find all the solution for these coding exercises with their algorithm. So these PPT slide you will find, I will share this PPT slide. You guys, you have to download freely. You will be able to read each and every lines from this PPT slide. So after completing this section you will learn how to concatenate and stack arrays in both horizontal and vertical directions, split arrays into smaller subarrays for easier handling, insert and delete elements within arrays, sort arrays and find unique elements, use NumPy's where function to filter array based on conditions, flatten and reveal arrays to transform their structure. So these are the different achievements you will get at the end of this section number 4. Hello guys, in this video lecture I will share more different coding exercises related to NumPy. For example, problem statement is that first problem statement combine multiple NumPy arrays using concatenation and stacking methods both horizontally and vertically. We will combine multiple NumPy arrays using, for example, methods. We have two methods, concatenating and stacking methods horizontally and vertically. Skills required, and then these steps we will follow: concatenating arrays horizontally, vertically, and stack arrays. So this is actually solution. Step 3 saying that about concatenating array, we can add two arrays horizontally, vertically, and stacking arrays with both cases vertically and horizontally, and showing all the result to user. So second problem statement is that splitting array into multiple subarrays using the split function. For example, you have an array, you want to split that array. So in this way you can split the array. For example, creating an array, split the array into subarrays and print the subarray result. So these are the steps you have to follow. Solution: this is the array, and then split function I take from NumPy module, and then providing array, which array you want to split, and you can also subarray elements. So third problem statement is that insert and delete elements from a NumPy array. How you can make insertion and deletion from elements of array. So skills required instruction you have to read. This is the algorithm I will follow: creating an array, inserting and deletion. So this is a solution. This is actually array from which I will element insertion will take place. For example, this is a insertion for 99 element at 2 index in this array. So removing elements from first index from this array and final result to user. Fourth problem statement is that insert a NumPy array and find its unique elements. So this is skills required instructions. As steps I will follow. For example, importing NumPy, that is a necessary for our problem solution. Create an unsorted array, sort the array, and then find unique elements in the array and show the result. This solution I will providing to you guys. This is a array. There are different elements. You can see that some duplication element, and actually this is an unsorted array. I will sort the array using sort method and then find unique elements. So finding unique elements, you have to use unique function and providing array, which array you want to focus to find unique elements. So it will show the uh, different unique elements to user. So unique elements and sorted array, two results you will get. So fifth problem statement is that filter elements in an array using conditional logic with NumPy's where function. We will use where function to filter. So skill required instructions. Algorithm I will follow. NumPy importing, create an array, apply condition using where function. Print the filter or modified array. So these are the steps I will follow. I will provide this pretty slide to you guys. I am saying that you have to read each and every line from this PPT slide. Solution, you have to focus. You can copy this solution and paste in your desired IDE to check its output. Importing, creating an array, and then filter array. So this is our condition from this array. Array elements should be greater than 20, starting from 0 index number. Print the filter or modified array. Final result. Sixth problem statement is that flatten a multi-dimensional array into one-dimensional array using flattening and revealing techniques. These two techniques I will use to convert or flatten a multi-dimensional array to one-dimensional array. Skills required instructions. These are the algorithm steps I will follow. Create a two-dimensional array, flatten the array using flatten function, flatten the array using reveal function, and print the result to user. So this is actually two-dimensional array creation. This is a flatten method. This is a reveal method. These two methods we used here to flatten two-dimensional or multi-dimensional to one-dimensional array. If you have any problem, you can message me directly.